I use a customized ChatGPT that already knows about my business. I run a confectionery company making gourmet marshmallows, and while I love experimenting with flavors and sharing the products with my customers, I don't love the admin that comes with running a small business. But since experimenting with ChatGPT, I've discovered new ways to lessen the admin load. I use a customized ChatGPT that already knows about my business. Things like the equipment we use, the products we make, and the way we work, which makes responses faster and way more targeted. I started by asking ChatGPT to create lists of all the repeatable operations in my business, such as routine machinery maintenance. Then I put AI to work, creating schedules and documents for me. By adding details about what equipment I have in my kitchen, it can create cleaning and maintenance schedules for tasks I might have forgotten to do in the past. Because I've also linked my apps to ChatGPT, I then told it to add calendar reminders for the maintenance based on our new schedule. ChatGPT also helped me with a cleaning checklist. My first steps were typing in the kinds of jobs we do at the end of every day. I refined the list until it was perfect, then printed it out. Now here's the best bit. A few days later, I took a photo of the kitchen at closing and uploaded it to ChatGPT. I asked it to analyze the image and cross-reference it with the cleaning checklist to see what we'd missed and any extra tasks we need to add in. These two tasks have saved me considerable time and brain space so I can focus on doing what I love.
To keep learning and growing, search CommBank Business Masterclass.